Are we recording? Okay, so hi everybody, we're back with our YouTube video. Today we're gonna be doing something that's the best. If you don't know what a AFK farm is, so mostly it was just for grinding gold blocks, but now I've got a way that you could grind gold. I'm only making this video instead of Jesse. I'm only making this video because I have a friend that needs help with a tutorial on this thing, and I want to make it as easy for the noobs as possible. And by noobs I just mean the people that don't make that much gold, not blaming anybody that they don't have that much gold. And if you're wondering how I got this much gold, it's really just because today and yesterday I was AFK grinding. Yesterday whole day and I made 15k. Today already 18k. Or no, not 18k, 8k more. I think. Yeah, it is. But anyways, none of those nerd talk about money, gold. Well, not gold, because that's any gamer talk. We're no nerd talk about math stuff. Okay, let's just get straight to the point. So if you want to see how good this is, I say it's around 20 gold every 10 seconds. But you need to have Royal member for that, or just Mega member. You need the 300 plus, or just basically just more health and 25% more gold. But anyways, let's now, oh my god, that title's funny. Anyways, this is all my saves and we're gonna load up this one. Before we do that, we're gonna clear all. So then the portal that I set up before there is cleared, but then it was gonna load this. And I'll tell you block by block. So this would be around 150 studs away. Okay, I'm just getting information because I kinda don't remember how I built it. But anyways, let's clear all and I'll get straight to building it. Let's name the block of, let's do this. AFK gold grinder YouTube tutorial. Oh my god, does it really fit? Oh, no. Yeah, I guess just YouTube would fit. But anyways, we're gonna lock that for now, because we're gonna get straight to building. First you need, I don't remember, but I say around 4 blocks high like this. And you need, oh I forgot I bought more pistons. Had 17 before, right? Well, let's say 17 pistons. Actually, yeah, 17. But anyways, let's do this. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. That good? Yeah, I say that's good. And now we're gonna get this wood block, put it here. We're gonna throw that into the wall for our scale tool. It'll be way much easier with the scale tool. You don't actually need scale tool for any of this, but it makes it damn more easier. But anyways, let's do this now. You needed 1 block higher than this, or maybe even a second. But I say once, okay. And then you could you might need a scale tool. You could do a block higher and do it, but I say 0.5. Just gotta get this one more down. So you don't need the scale tool for that one thing. But anyways, let's now do this. This would be the conveyor trick. If if none of you know, this is the part that makes you get conveyored into the portal. Well, basically, it makes a huge conveyor. It's a glitch, okay? There's no hacking. I was just thinking if I should put a funny hacking thing on the screen, like just a bunch of number codes background. But anyways, just follow what I'm doing right here. And I think that I'll need just a sec. Let me be right back when I just go check, because I really don't remember. Okay, so we're back. Hey, I'm recording for the tutorial. So yeah, this is my friend over here that needs the help. So yeah, so let me just get started. After we do all of this, we only make this. I don't know, I think it should be all unanchored. Just, you may want to delete this. May want to delete this, or else you're not going to be putting your AFK farm out there. Let me just scale this one up. Yeah, okay. Okay. So yeah, right now, from this part, this is our actual AFK farm. I recommend titanium because I have a lot of it. Well, you just need to use the most used block. I think it should be at least minimum 0.5 scaled down. And if you don't, just grind a bit. It's not that much of a grind. Only a lot of blocks. No biggie. Yeah. Okay, so you'll need this last, no wait. Okay, so when you scale it over, keep your eye on this last number on the side here, under the thing. And if you don't know, you're new, you get the scale tool. It may look like this, the default view. So you press this plus and you get it. And yeah, so when you got 150, you're gonna wanna stretch it a bit until it reaches the end of where the spawn zones are. So I say around where this grass thing ends, around here. So yeah, this is where it would be. Let's just save it. Let's just save this quickly. Not the end of the video. We've only got most of it done. See how fast it is? It's pretty fast. But anyways, oh, he left. But anyways, let's do this now. You'll want the portal to be somewhere over here is good, I'd say. Somewhere in the middle, I guess. But anyways, let's get our blocks out. We're just gonna be making the walls. And if you're new to making any FK farm, this is your first one. Cause, wait, you always need some blocks at the back. So then you don't just fly out. I don't have any recording of that bit. That would have been hilarious. Only if I had a clip of that. Oh yeah. Hilarious. Well, to me it is. Probably not that much to you. But anyways, let's just continue. You should be following along by now. Obviously. Oh, I don't know what I'm even saying. Just follow along. Make some walls like this. If you don't have enough, and you should have the scale tool, so you can make it paper thin, or at least 0.5. 0.5. Or else it's a little too paper thin, and you'll go flying out the wall. Oh, and if I had a clip of that now. Oh yeah. So yeah, let's just scale those up and believe it. I think it should be, we should make it around this, around this height, so when you want to stop being AFK, you have time to jump out and then go flying. But anyways, after you've done this, this is legit most of it done. Now, this is actually kind of all of it done. All we need is a pilot seat or a car seat. Doesn't matter, as long as you could control the pistons. Car seat may be cheaper, but you just gotta control the pistons. That's all you need. This is good. But anyways, from there, I'm just using a pilot seat because it's the way to go. It's the way to go. That's basically all it done for the making of the thing that grabs you in. Now we got the last part that you gotta set up, and after that you just got, this is now just setting it up. All you need to do now is place the portal like this. I recommend using a plane. You could use a jetpack if you want to go cheap way. But yeah, this is actually a lot of it done. By a lot, I mean all of it done now. So yeah, that's it for the tutorial. Hope it was as clear as it could be, because really needs to be clear. But now we need, wait, let's just, yeah, I don't know. But just, now that's actually kind of it all done. Now you just gotta save all this, then you gotta set it up, and I'll show you right now how to set it up. First you wanna pull it all here, and if it goes too far, don't worry that much. Just, I say this point. Oh my god, why does it go completely? You may see that the trees are in the way a bit. Wait, let me just reseat. Sometimes it, yeah, better. Oh, never mind. Oh, you don't know how annoying this is right now. Oh no. Bit more, bit more, bit more. And this is the point. I say that's good. This is a pretty good point. This is actually a way better point. But this is a good point to be at. Yeah, this is actually kind of good. This is super good. But after that, you're done setting up the thing. Actually, almost setting up the thing done. You just gotta shoot the turbine. The spring will hold it down. Don't worry if it goes flying. And you'll need a screwdriver for this, or this tool. If I could show it to you. Where is it? Ah, here. This, you need this tool. It's not that much. Not gonna buy it a second time. Not wasting my gold. But anyways, you gotta anchor it, and then you gotta scale it. Scale it like this, and into your build. And by that I mean just this. Just like that. You've scaled it, and this is all done. Now it'll put the glitch into this whole build, and now look, it's all conveyor. Before it wasn't, now it is. Oh, this is the part where the plane's gonna go crazy. Let me just stop the plane, and look, this is gonna be so funny. Watch. Yeet. Bye bye plane. Hope you have a nice time hitting your head on everything. Like epic. You're so lucky, plane. What a... Oh, now you came back for your revenge, but he got stuck under there. So no need to worry. Whoa. He's making cool loops. Chill, Phil. Why are you controlling my plane? Chill, Phil. What are you doing? It's probably admin or Chill, Phil controlling my plane. Now it's died. Don't worry. It's not died yet. Do you know why that is? Because we are gonna give it some speed, and really you could just cut to, I'll give you the timestamps, but let's yeet this plane. No, 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 no. Why is it going the wrong way? Let's do this. Yes. And now, plane go brr. Plane go brr. Bye bye. Hope you have a nice time visiting the cool sup kill pro guy. He just sees the plane go there. Now it's despawned. Epic. Really, let's get back to the video now. Never done timestamps before, so yeah, that'll be cool. But anyways, now you gotta set the portal. Yeah. So yeah, you gotta set the portal. Now I say you use the plane again. But anyways, you will need a screwdriver because when you're at this point around at the black border like this is my old spot. So let's try to go there. Yeah, this point is good. Perfect. Delete that old one. Now, once you anchored it at this point, you delete the plane and reset. Your chair will break. So, yep. And that's really it for the tutorial. Super fast, not like the videos gone long or anything. Wait, what? Wait. Well, I think you gotta do one block lower. Yeah, you gotta do it one block lower or else you spawn under the thing. Well, that's an easy fix, right? So yeah, I'll see ya. And yes, this is the original video. But anyway, see ya, everybody. And hope you have a great day. And see ya.